All right, we got us a project. So after my last flight, the muffler got a crack, which these are known for that. I still have the MY19 muffler, which is my second one. So got the new MY20, but see if you can see this right there. And on my last flight, I could hear about 6,100 RPM. It definitely, there was a sound that I was hearing, and that had to be it, because it was not. It was like a high-pitched rattle, almost like a bearing going out or something. But I guarantee you that's what it was. So look what we got here. Just came in the mail from the fine people at Aviator. They sent it to me most haste. So let's see what's in there. There it is. MY20. Pretty as you please. This is all the new stuff that's different. Everything comes with the flange, the brass. Nice. Okay, well, let's get started. See what it does. All right, there you go. New one is on. MY20 has this extra segment here. All this is reinforced. All good. Put a new silencer on because I was at almost 200 hours anyways, so it was probably time to redo it. I just need to put the bracket on here and she'll be good to go. There's the old one. It is cracked right there. And let's see. And on this side, all along there. Just the typical Vittorazi MY19 crack. Like I said, it was my second one, so hopefully this is going to solve the problem. We shall see.